Okay, here's a quick video on how you can link Cash App to your Wells Fargo account. So you want to open up the Cash App application and then click on your profile icon right here at the top right corner. And then from here, we gotta scroll down a little bit until we see the option for linked banks. So click on it. From here, you should see the option to link a debit card if you haven't already. So click on this option right here. Then this should pop up and you have to select no card ? So after that, it will load up a list of all of the banks. So link your bank account. So we gotta link a bank account. And right here, as you can see, we have the option to link our Wells Fargo account. So as you can see, we have to continue and log in to Wells Fargo. So if you press this button, it's going to take you to the page of Wells Fargo. You got to log in and then it will probably just ask you for authentication and your accounts will be linked. So here is how you get the option to link your account to Wells Fargo. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.